guys. Ay, cute. I'll give you a room tour. The door. CR. She's clean, she's new, and she does not look scary. Alam nyo, I've been to places na may naghahanap, I feel like the vibes lang may naghahanap ng hustisya, ganun level. So, she's new. This is my bed. Ang sarap matulog, like the bed is huge. The sofa bed, cabinet, then this is the window leading to the outside world. It's in Milkat, and then if I go that way, nandyan yung L'Atelier du Grand, yung favorite na place ko to get pastries. And then, actually, mag-ready lang ako kasi I look rough. Sana may makuha akong taxi agad kasi a girl is late. Huh? Hindi naman late. Malilate pa lang if wala akong makuha ng taxi agad. And medyo traffic na. Medyo late. 10 minutes in. Carry lang yan. Feeling ko naman, love naman nila ako. Hello! Nails done. Mag-main character walk muna ako. And then, uwi ako. I have to post and edit something. And then, alis ulit para mag-dinner with Ching. Dahil rush hour, ilalakad natin. It's a 20-minute walk. Nasa Manila ako. Hindi ko to lalakarin. Pero, since main character ka naman dito, malamig. Laban ng 20-minute walk, hiningal na ako.